Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. The topic of my lecture is heme metabolism. Last time we discussed about the chemistry of the porphyrins, structure of the porphyrins, and the biomedical importance of the porphyrins. Today we will study the structure of the hemoglobin, the brief structure of the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, red blood pigments. It is exclusively present in the erythrocytes. Its concentration in the male is about 13 to 16 gram per deciliter, in the female 12 to 15 gram per deciliter, and in the children 11 to 16 gram per deciliter. The function of the hemoglobin is the delivery of the oxygen from the lungs to the tissues and the transport of the carbon dioxide and the protons from the tissues to the lungs for the excretion. Hemoglobin is composed of the 4 polypeptide chain, 2 alpha chains and the 2 beta chains. They are held together by the non-covalent interaction. Hemoglobin is a conjugated protein. Globin, apoprotein part, while the heme is the prosthetic group. Heme is the iron porphyrin complex compound with the tetrapyrrole structure. Here is the structure of the hemoglobin. The outer carbon of the 4 pyrrole rings, which are not linked with the methynyl bridges, are numbered 1 to 8. The methynyl bridges are referred as the alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, respectively, the 2 hydrogen atoms in the amino group of pyrrole ring 2 and 4 are replaced by the ferrous iron, which occupies the center of the compound ring structure and establish linkages with all the 4 nitrogens of the all the 4 pyrrole rings. Besides the linkage of the 4 nitrogen to the pyrrole rings is also linked internally 5th linkage to the nitrogen of an imidazole ring of the histidine of the polypeptide chain. It is considered to have the valence of the 6th as an ferrocyanide, and the 6th valence is directed outwards from the molecule and is linked to the molecule of the water in the deoxygenated hemoglobin. The propionic acid group at the position of 6 and 7 of the pyrrole ring 3rd and the 4th are also linked the basic group of amino acid arginine and lysine of the polypeptide chain. If the central iron is oxidized and converted to the ferric, it will carry the positive charge, which is balanced by taking the hydroxyl group from the medium. It may also be balanced by another anions. The hydrogen at the position 1 to 8 are substituted by different groups in different compounds different compounds of heme. The position 1 to 8 in the pyrrole are substituted by the methyl, vinyl, and the propionic acid. The globin, it is the protein part of the hemoglobin, have revealed that it is composed of the 4 polypeptide chains, 2 identical alpha chains, and 2 identical beta chains in the normal adult hemoglobin. The polypeptide chain contain a heme is so called the heme pocket. Thus, one hemoglobin molecule contains 4 heme units. This is the brief structure of the hemoglobin.